That's not good at all. I definitely don't want that coming off and hitting another car. Okay, first pit stop, UPS. Okay, second pit stop, FedEx. I just bought these awesome Olukai sandals. I think these are from Hawaii. They didn't fit me that well. I mean, I'm usually a reef guy, so I'm always wearing reef sandals with the bottle cap opener on the bottom. Really cool product. And you know what's really weird? The return policy is I just need to go to a FedEx location, drop this off, and have them scan a QR code, and that's it. I get my refund. I don't even need to box this up. If returns are like that in the future, man, that's pretty cool. So back in the garage, what I want to do today is install a carbon fiber wing and carbon fiber canards. The last time I installed the Maxon Design front splitter and side skirt extensions, and those came out awesome, but I definitely need those other two pieces to complete the look of my car. And you guys are probably wondering, hey Flex, your car already comes with like an automatic factory spoiler. Well, I actually hate that spoiler. It doesn't look that good. And also you see a lot of internal components if you walk around the car while the spoiler is up. So I think a GT style carbon spoiler is gonna look so much better. So here's what I'm installing today. And I got these from JC Sportline Auto Parts. So JC Sportline, they're a manufacturer of a lot of aero parts for many makes and models. They really specialize in carbon fiber pieces. A lot of resellers in the US actually buy directly from these guys and resell them, but you can actually buy directly from them. They have a store on eBay, Amazon, even on AliExpress, and the prices are way better than a lot of the resellers in the US, so definitely check them out. So I'm installing carbon fiber canards, and this massive carbon fiber spoiler looks great. I can't wait to slap that on the car right now. I need to first remove the stock spoiler. There's just 4 nuts that needs to be removed with a socket wrench. So here is the factory spoiler, and here is the carbon wing. It's actually held on by 2 bolts on each side. So I'm gonna have to actually drill right in this area here, and the wing will bolt right up to this spot right here. And it's using these bolts here and this bracket on the bottom side to clamp it in place. So let's go ahead and get this on. So here's the work that I did. I actually had to drill 2 holes through this nut piece so I can run the bolts through. And I had to open the holes on the bracket using this bigger drill bit. And then I ran longer bolts that I bought myself with some thread locker at the end. And the install was actually pretty easy. It's holding up well, and I just need to do the same on the other side. Okay, so now that the spoiler is installed, what I need to do next is actually disable the factory spoiler. Because the factory spoiler, when I'm driving on the highway, it automatically goes up. and that's definitely something I don't want happening with a brand new spoiler installed on the car. So there's a few ways of doing this, but the easiest way that I found to do this is actually using this product called OBD11. So I bought this on Amazon, and what it does is it's basically an OBD reader that has tons of features and functions and works for a bunch of different cars, but it makes coding the R8 really easy. So what I want to do is I actually want to code the R8 to disable the rear spoiler, and it actually has an app within its phone app that automatically does it by a push of a button. Well, that didn't work. That's not good at all. I definitely don't want that coming off and hitting another car. So I guess the app I used didn't work, but here's the reason why. I looked into it, and the app that I used is actually only disabling the spoiler from going back down by itself. Because in this car, when you're driving on the highway, when you slow down, the spoiler actually comes down by itself. It doesn't stay up. So I actually had to use a different app that completely disables the spoiler, and that's this app right here. And you know what? That app actually did the trick. I don't even see the spoiler button lit up anymore, so it's completely disabled, which is awesome. So here's the Canard. It's actually pretty easy to install. There's two ways of doing it. I can drill holes into my front bumper and bolt these on, so that way they're on nice and tight if I take the car to a track. But since I'm never planning to really track this car, I'm just going to use the extra strong double-sided tape to mount this to the car. So I just finished installing the Canards, and they look awesome. But before I show you guys the complete car, what I want to do is I want to give away some things because I'm trying to clean up my garage. Look at that mess. So what I want to give away is actually giveaways I've given away about 2 videos ago, but nobody ever claimed the prize. The winners never came back to the video to claim the prize, so I'm giving it away again. So what I'm giving away is the carbon fiber spoiler to my W205 C-Class, and I'm gonna give away the Flexx Hat and the carbon fiber style wallet. So yeah, if you guys want to win, information's in the description below, and please read it thoroughly. You need to come back to the video to find out if you're a winner and claim your prize. If you don't, you're gonna forfeit the prize, and I'm gonna have to give it away again, and I definitely don't want to do that because this stuff is piling up. So please help me out. Come back to the video, see if you're the winner, and then collect your prize. Well, there you have it, guys. The car looks so good. I still can't believe that I'm actually modifying an R8. It's crazy. You guys are probably wondering why I'm not giving you any wide shots. Well, that's kind of a secret. But you guys are gonna have to find out in a future video, so definitely stay tuned.